Now, another study out today suggests autism may be more prevalent than we knew. Previous reports here in the U.S. estimated 1 in 110 children has traits of autism. But this new study done in South Korea put the rate at 1 in 38. Dr. Jon LaPook is our medical correspondent. John, why are the figures so much higher in South Korea than they are in the United States?
Katie, in the United States, we mostly count those children who have obvious symptoms. In the Korean study, they screened every child in school, not just those who were in special ed classes, but those who seemed to be perfectly fine. So they picked up milder cases. Now, there was a 27-question survey that asked things like, is the child regarded as an eccentric professor by other children? Does the child have awkward or clumsy movements, or live somewhat in a world of their own? If a certain number of answers were yes, then the child was more fully evaluated.
Now, I know that some well-regarded U.S. researchers are among the authors of this South Korean study. Are they concluding that a lot of American kids with mild autism are simply going undiagnosed?
Yes. And in fact, one of the authors told me today that early diagnosis is crucial because early intervention can make a huge difference, even in those kids, and this is important, who seem to be functioning perfectly fine.
But what about parents who say, you know, my child is functioning and perfectly fine. Why should I have him or her tested and have a label put on them?
Well, that's a common sentiment because kids with mild autism can do very well, especially in a highly structured environment, like in school and with a lot of support at home. But down the road, it may get bumpier, especially when it's a less structured environment, like in college or at work. So parents need to remember, your children are best when they're most independent, and you're not going to be around forever.
All right, that's a good point. All right, Dr. Jon LaPook. John, thanks so much. And for more on this story, you can turn to our partner in health news, WebMD.com, and search autism.